Job searching in this current market, especially when you're in dire need for a job, has become a full-time job on its own. Welcome back to this channel and a very special welcome if you're new. My name is Nicole Nyasha. I'm a certified professional recruiter based in Canada and I share career-related content. Contrary to 2021, 2022, when employers would do anything and offer you the stars, moon, and the sky to come work for them, the job market has shifted to now becoming an employer's market. What that simply means is it's not as easy to get a job today as it was a couple of months ago. Job searching in this current market, especially when you're in dire need for a job, has become a full-time job on its own. With the increasing competition and number of applicants recruiters receive, your application can get easily lost in the pile with others. And that's why in this video, I want to talk about using ChatGPT or AI in general to make your job search more effective and efficient. Typically, the first thing people think of is, let me use it to create a resume. We'll get to that, but I think the first way you should be using AI is for career path guidance. ChatGPT can help you explore potential career paths and identify the skills as well as experience needed to pursue them. If you input your title and industry, AI can provide you with insights on related titles and industries that you can explore, as well as with skills and the type of experience that you might need to help you make the transition easier. Another way to use AI for your job search is to refine your resume. And keyword is refine here, not create. Don't take shortcuts, write your own resume, and then use AI to make it better. ChatGPT can help you identify the skills as well as experiences that are most relevant to the jobs that you're applying for and then provide you with the recommendations. So simply input your resume and ask it to make suggestions or improvements by highlighting specific skills or experiences that are most in demand for your area of expertise or the type of jobs that you're applying for. You can also use ChatGPT for research. For example, companies. You can input a company name and then ChatGPT will provide you with information on their products, their services, their mission statements, their financial situation. And this is information you can use to update your resume, for direct outreaches to hiring managers, and even during an interview. The benefit of this is you're getting summarized, easy to understand knowledge or information whilst saving time. In addition to researching companies, ChatGPT can help identify professionals in your industry or in the tight line of work that you do that you should probably connect with to expand your network. And this is as simple as inputting your industry and maybe your title or the type of work you do, and then asking AI to suggest people you should connect with on LinkedIn or whatever other professional sites that you're on. I say this a lot, but you significantly increase your chances or your odds of getting good or better employment in Canada by networking. So definitely make use of ChatGPT for that. You can also use it to prepare for interviews. What AI can do is generate common interview questions for a particular job or industry and provide you with suggestions on how to answer those questions. Be very careful with this one though. The aim should be to identify the underlying themes or to learn how to structure your answer versus memorizing a script that you got on ChatGPT. I don't think it does have that interpersonal or human touch. Neither does it know you as a person. So don't memorize a script, but rather use main themes to help you draft answers that make sense for you and your situation. Using AI to help you prepare for your interviews will definitely help you feel more confident and prepared. In essence, ChatGPT or AI in general is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your job search process and increase your chances of landing your ideal job. If you found this short video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't for more career-related content. God bless you for watching, and also check out this video on how you can optimize your resume for the Canadian job market.